Motown is in action. Firstly January, then comes March, and then now. This is the third time in the current calendar year that the auto companies are coming up with their price hike announcements. So just now, when yesterday we saw Maruti Suzuki announcing the price hike for its model, it's time for two-wheelers to show up some speed. Two-wheeler giant Moto announces price hike for its model across. The company plans to increase the prices of its bikes and its scooters effective July 1st, 2021. This price hike has been taken to partially offset the impact of the continuous increase in the commodity prices, which was the similar reason for Maruti Suzuki as well. And in the case of Moto Corp, the price hike will be across the range of its bikes and scooters, which will be up to ₹3,000. But the exact quantum of the increase will depend on the basis of the models and the specific market, the company informed. This is not the first time that in the current calendar year Moto Corp is taking such a price hike. Just to highlight, in FY21, the inflation impacted the cost of the companies by 6%, against which the company has taken multiple price hikes amounting to 4%. So this is about Moto Corp, and in today's trade on this news, the stock is holding up quite strongly. Another stock in action today is four-wheeler giant Maruti Suzuki. Yesterday, the company announced the price hike for the third time in the current calendar year. Just to highlight, in the previous price hike was taken in the month of January, which was around 0.8%, and also in the month of April, the company took a price hike of around 1.3%. And yesterday, we had a word with the management of Maruti Suzuki, where the company informed that they have been taking the price hike around 1% in terms, but the exact quantum of these price hike is yet to be decided, which will be applicable across models. So this will be the one key factor we will be looking forward to. This time, Maruti Suzuki plans to take a price rise in the Q2 of the current financial year. That is the month of July, starting in a few days, but the extent of the increase varying for the different models is yet to be decided. We will look forward to more of such price hike announcements from the other auto companies as well. As of now, we just have two such announcements. Firstly is the Moto Corp, and the second one is from the Maruti Suzuki, and both the stocks are holding up quite strongly in today's trade. But this price hike announcement, as we know, is quite a bit of a negative for the consumer sentiments. But at the same time, we have been talking to many of the auto dealers in ET now, where they are very positive on the demand of the automobiles in the times ahead. They see no impact of the demand as of now, although the May sales was quite a big disappointment due to the lockdowns. But going forward, the June numbers, auto sales numbers, are panning to be quite well. The rural demand is positive. It is showing good signs of the demand recovery in those markets. The urban demand is quite strong. They have been picking up the two major factors for such kind of a demand recovery. Firstly, they see pent-up demand, and secondly is the preference for the personal mobility is aiding the sales number for all of these companies, be it the four-wheeler space and be it the two-wheeler space. In the times ahead, on the positive announcements that are coming from the company's perspective, where the companies are taking the price hike, and also where they are expecting good demand and the strong demand in the times ahead, we are expecting the auto companies to speed up with more growth in the future.